Happy birthday, Happy Purple. Ayan. Wish ko sa'yo na sana marami kang birthday na dumating na sa'yo. At stay humble, stay beautiful. Huwag mo intindihin ang problema. Hayaan mo ang problema ang mamumroblema sa'yo. Ayan. Lalo na sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Nandito lang lagi si Bunso na nagmamahal sa'yo. Hayaan mo yung mga tao na mga toxic. Huwag mo silang intindihin. Pag may umalis, alam mong may darating. Yan. Nandito kami, mga tunay mong kaibigan na nagmamahal sa iyo. Pangako, hindi lang to dito sa imo. Palagi mong tandaan, pag uwi namin, o baba pupuntahan ka namin. Sana huwag kang magbago. Mahal ka na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Miss Honor Purple. Happy birthday sa'yo. God bless you and more birthday to comes. And good health para sa iyo. Ang wish ko lang ay maging okay ang lahat, and nandito kami ng mga kaibigan mo na nagmamahal. Always we here for you. And again, happy birthday friends. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hello, love. Happy birthday. Lagyan mo lagi ang sarili mo. Huwag kang pai-stress. Yan ang lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo. Magsasama pa tayo ng napakatagal. Love you. Happy birthday. Love na love kita.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, love. Enjoy your day. Love you so much. Maraming salamat at nakilala kita. Sobra. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Well, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Stay strong, stay safe. Chill ka lang. Ang problema nandyan lang, huwag ka papa-apekto. Hayaan mo ang problema ang magproblema sa'yo. Basta ikaw, relax lang. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Honor Purple. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you rin sa pag-iintindi. Wala akong ibang sasabihin na respeto na lang sa atin lahat. At enjoy na lang kung anong buhay mayroon tayo. Thank you rin at ikaw yung sasabihan ko ng aking problema. Sana huwag ka nang ma-stress sa amin. Thank you.
Good morning po. Good morning po sa lahat ng members ng Helping Hands. Especially sa nag-birthday po. Eksensya na, kagigising lang. Ah, gusto ko lang pong i-greet ng happy birthday si Kapatid Purple. Wish you all the best, best wishes for the future, best wishes. And then, happy birthday pala sa lahat ng nagbe-birthday ngayong May. To kapatid rin, happy birthday. Sa nag-iisang lalaki ni Alone din. Happy birthday, Jeff. Uh, wish you more birthdays to come. Kapatid Purple, ah, salamat sa pag-accept, sa pag-adapt sa akin sa bahay mo. Salamat, salamat, salamat. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday Langga. Sabi niya, wish ko lang po, may the joy that you have spread in the past come back to you on this day. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Your life is just about to pick up and spread and blast off into the stratosphere. And then I wish you abundant happiness and love. May all your dreams turn into your reality, and may live in a vision you have today. Happy birthday to one of the sweetest people I've ever known. May you be gifted with life's biggest joys and never-ending bless after all you yourself, and a gift to earth, and then so you deserve the best. Happy birthday, Langga. Happy birthday.
To you, happy birthday, and the start from tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy. Happy birthday.